Vlogmas. It was a shit show last night. I got bags on my eyes. I was up late, up early. My kitchen is a fucking disaster. I don't know which one of my kids is supposed to do it, but they didn't. So now it's looking crazy, okay? I just fed Lulu. I fed her for the morning, and yeah. Look who's in the Christmas spirit. Look who's in the Christmas spirit. Are you in the Christmas spirit, Lulu? Are you in the Christmas spirit, lady? Hmm? Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve, y'all. And I worked last night. I had a great shift last night. No issues last night. Very good patience last night. I got straight off, as y'all saw, and went to the grocery store because, yeah, my bed just ain't made up. I went to the grocery store because I needed some items to cook for Christmas, but I usually don't cook on the holiday. I usually cook the day before. So I needed some items to cook, you know, for my dinner today. But yeah, so I'm about to start cooking, and I'll just be taking y'all along with me today for the process, because obviously we're a large family, so it is a bit of a process. And yeah, so I made this outfit like a month or two ago, probably like a month or two ago, and it's just not fitting me the way I need for it to fit me, and that's because like my sewing skills done enhanced. So what I think I'm gonna do is pick this apart and probably try to create like some sort of like Christmas look for tomorrow. So I kind of want like the bottom to look similar to this. So y'all look at what I did to my baby hair. Want to show them? Ooh, she looks so cute. Y'all, she been asking me for this hairstyle for forever, and I've been like, no. You know how you was little and your mom was like, nah, you can't get your hair straight. No. But I was like, let me go ahead and do it. It's Christmas Eve with Christmas Eve, so I might as well do it. And I did it. It came out so cute. She's so happy. You happy? Very good. I don't know. I think I'm gonna, this time I'm gonna do some hardcore measuring. So this confusing ass tutorial I looked at on YouTube, I looked at two. One was extremely confusing. Very confusing. The other one was like, okay, I can get through this. But then she started talking about some divided by pi. Like, what the fuck is you talking about? Like, girl, I'm not in algebra, okay? My algebra days is over. Right now, what I want to do is make a cute skirt. Like, so can you get me from point A to point B without me multiplying or dividing by pi? Like, cause at this point, my brain cells is shot, okay? Okay, let me tell y'all something. When I say I'm tired from all that cooking, I'm tired, okay? I'm motherfucking sleepy. My face looked terrible because I didn't do no skincare today. None. I just got cooking, basically. So I made ham, turkey, green beans, spaghetti, cornbread, potato salad, and cabbage, and macaroni. Did I say macaroni? Anyway, y'all, I'm closing out this Vlogmas because I'm tired. I don't even know what Vlogmas it is. My hair look a fucking mess, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I hope y'all enjoy y'all time with y'all families. Merry Christmas Eve. Until tomorrow morning, I'll see you guys. Ho, ho, ho.